filming that one, you could still hear in the background. He's like, why does he have it still running? It's going to shoot through the block.
Alright guys, we finished this up in 3 days. We had a issue when we first fired it up, and we had a squeaky tensioner, and we went ahead and replaced the tensioner. And there's a new tensioner there. So everything else is running perfect, sounds good, motor's strong. And there you have it.